Okay, today we are doing a huge clean out. This is the last one. And we're gonna have a couple of yard sales, and whatever we have left, we are going to get rid of, give away, donate, whatever we're getting rid of. Welcome to
Fully Cooked, because we cook like a bunch of bulls too.
Fully
Cooked!
So we are taking everything out of our house today that we are not using, and we will be removing it from our house, from our living space. This is probably going to be a few videos. We're going to do it room by room, and then we're going to have like a finale home tour at the end. So it's going to be like 4 different videos. Keep watching to watch the rest of the series and which room we're going to do next. We're going to do the living room and kitchen. We're going to do the utility room, our bedroom, and the kids' room. So let's see what we have right now. We have some toys over here. We have 2 boxes of stuff. One is filled with stuff, one's empty. We have a kitchen. This is just what it looks like normally. Get some artwork. I have to do dishes. This is going to let us clean the house a lot easier and quicker. I don't want to spend more than 20 minutes a day cleaning the house. The bathroom, there's a kid's room. Look at this room. These are mostly clothes, but there is stuff right here to get rid of. And my husband made the bed this morning, but you can't tell because he put stuff all over top of it. This is a box of stuff to do something with, and there's the overflow of that. So we're working all on this today. Here's some clothes that I have to go through. These are my weight loss clothes, and I am into new clothes right now. This is not new, and I just noticed that it has some stains on it, so I'm gonna have to change. But these are clothes that I have just gotten into after some weight loss. I've lost about 110 pounds so far. But now I'm going to have to change my clothes because it's got stains all over it. Yeah, and this keeps happening. So we have to get rid of this stuff out of our house. The first step we are taking is we're going to pick up all of these clothes. We're going to fold them and put them away. Be right back. Okay, the kids have helped me clear the floor. Thank you, Abigail. She's got her shopping bag. Raphael is going to put his clothes up and hang them up. And these are the clothes that I'm working with right now. Got some stuff over here to get rid of. I put Abigail's clothes in a stack, folding all of our clothes. And here's the stuff to keep. Right, so yes, we have a drawer of stuff here that we're getting rid of. Yes. Yes, and she has some stuff too that she's helping me get rid of. That's a frog. See a frog? We don't need this, so we're getting rid of it. You want those too? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, this is the after of our bedroom. Yeah, I really hate this tile floor, but you know what? This house is like the best house we've ever been in Israel because it has a yard. There's some cartons that I was going to use for sound deadening, but I just ended up throwing them away. My husband's stuff all over the bed that he has to deal with, and the clothes are all put away, so that's good. Here's my son and daughter's bedroom. They share a bedroom. Now, you've already seen me go through all of their toys and get rid of them, but in a minute I'm going to show you me going through their clothes and getting rid of the clothes that don't fit them anymore. She doesn't sleep in this tent anymore. She sleeps in her bed. You can see we are just totally overwhelmed because we got rid of a storage system that holds all of their toys. So it's been a little difficult to store the toys or figure out which ones that we could get rid of right now. We're still going to be here until the end of the year at least, and I wanted them to have toys to play with. So it was really difficult for me to figure out which toys to keep and which to get rid of. So I'm just going to straighten up the room. Right now I'm kind of assessing like what the heck am I gonna do here, because it's really hard to just start, so I'm just gonna start. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm kind of dreading this, to be honest with you. Oh, this is a lot of work, but it needs to be done. Absolutely needs to be done. This right here is a box of their dress-up clothes. I love dress-up clothes. I believe that kids should have a box of dress-up clothes. It's just random, really nice outfits, but also random stuff like gloves and mittens and different hats that I have found. Now, I'm telling my son to get up underneath of his bed and get everything out. My son does have OCD and he is a hoarder. So it's a little hard for him, and he usually hoards under his bed. So I have no idea what is going to come out of this bed. So there are also a bunch of toys here, as you can see, and I'm not really going to focus on the toys right now. For this video, I'm just going to work on the clothes, and I have another video, two-part video of where I clean out the toys. I do half of the room first and the other half second. So the other half was more than just toys. It had my stuff in it also that I was storing in this bedroom. This room is a total wreck right now. Okay, I'm looking at my daughter's clothes that are on the bed. I threw some on there, some that don't go. Now I'm gonna clean out the dresser, I believe. This is an older video, so this is when I had enough. There was too much stuff. I was spending too much time, way too much time, cleaning the house and whatnot. So I'm gonna go through all of her clothes, and whatever doesn't fit is gonna go out. Okay, so I'm just going to straighten out this dresser top so I can put some clothes on top of it to fold. But I need a blank space before I do that, so I'm not putting things on top of each other. Raphael is still cleaning out underneath of his bed. Everything that's going in the green basket on the floor, I'm getting rid of all of that stuff. It's either gonna get given away or thrown away or put in a different room, but I'm not gonna see that stuff again. Okay, I'm going through her drawers right now. These are all of her drawers. I have since moved this entire thing into my bedroom into 4 drawers, and we use 3 of them for her stuff.
Okay, one more key. Slide it down. I got 2 doggies that I love. Here's this one. I love it. I love it. So let's decorate my bed with those 2 also. Let's decorate it. Hey, Mommy. Subscribe to my new bed that I'm decorating. Because every day I decorate in different directions. What it's supposed to be decorated. Decorated. I decorate the bed all year. I do. Decorate 1, decorate 2, decorate 3. 3 rows in one bed. I'm organizing my bed. Baby girl is going to sleep maybe. Ah! Well, can I put this My Little Pony? I love it, so maybe we can keep it.
You can keep it on your bed.
Really? But where? I need to decorate it somewhere. Yeah? I need my cat decorated somewhere. It's going to be decorated. I need my pumpkin decorated somewhere. I don't know where it's going to be decorated. Maybe here, maybe here, maybe here. It'll give her a great spot. But she can be over here next to the kitties. Stand up, cats. Stand up. What the fudge, kitty? What are you doing? Stand up. Yes, Raphael, I'm doing that. It's on the bed when I'm done with it, okay? Because I'm decorating my bed.
Okay, the best way for me to fold her clothes is to fold them and then like stack them up like a file cabinet. And I just figure that is the easiest way for me to see all of her clothes and see what she has. I do one drawer at least I have of her complete outfit, so you grab it and that's a complete outfit. And then the second drawer is usually mostly like a runoff of all of the outfits, or I'll have shirts. So right now I'm just going through all of her clothes to see if they fit. And as you can tell, I have my son with me and he has not stopped talking at all.
Okay. Come through. Excuse me, come through. Come through, everyone. Very nice.
Okay, and the third drawer is usually just like parts of outfits, like skirts, shorts, pants, sometimes some onesies, some play clothes, things like that. Things that I need to complete an outfit. I'm gonna get rid of a lot of this stuff though, because it doesn't actually go with anything that she has. This is a 6-drawer mound, by the way. It's from IKEA. It's pretty okay. If I could do better, I would, but we don't have like wooden furniture here for cheap. So in this drawer, I have clothes that don't fit her yet, and seasonal clothes like swimming and jackets.
Now where did I put her? Did I put it there somewhere?
And again, I have moved all of this stuff into 3 drawers, so I've really downsized even after this. These are her nightgowns, her sleepers, and her jumpers. I call them jumpers. They're like onesie shorts, like a jumper. But not like a UK jumper, because a UK jumper is a sweater. And I'm getting rid of the onesies that don't fit her anymore. Putting the outfits together. Why is this in this drawer? Honestly, in this last drawer, there's just a bunch of random crap in here that belongs in other places. I have a few of my son's sleepwear that doesn't belong in here, so I'm just gonna put all the stuff where it belongs. There's too many drawers, too much stuff.
I put Raphael's stuff in here. Where are you filming me cleaning?
Okay, this literally took all day for me to declutter 1.5 rooms, pretty much. So right now I'm just going through all of her clothes that fit, and I'm going to put them away in the drawers. So I'm folding them up nicely, and as you can tell, I am lining them up like a file cabinet because it's just easier. And already I have, I believe, 2 empty drawers. We did this on a weekend when my husband was home. Honestly, I should have done it through the week because this took an entire day. I know it doesn't seem like that long, but there was a lot involved, and I actually did the organizing of the toys after this, and that was a 2-parter video, so it was a lot. I had to do half of the room for one video and the other half for the other, and I'll link those at the end of this video if you want to go watch those videos. But in the end, I got rid of so much stuff out of these rooms. But my husband was with the baby while I was doing this. But she did come in the room for cleaning out the toys and things because she did miss her mommy, because I was literally doing this all day. But it was totally worth it because I look back at this video and I'm like, look at all this stuff that we just don't have anymore. I also took all of this, you see the books on top of the dresser. I took everything off of the dresser and I made a homeschool place in my kitchen, and I'm not done with that video yet, but it's soon to be coming up. I organized my kitchen. I got rid of everything in my kitchen that I didn't need, and I made a space for homeschool in the kitchen because my daughter is also starting to learn at home, working on flashcards and drawing, and she's really good at holding a pencil, like crazy good. And my son is kindergarten age and he is working working on reading, and he's doing really good right now, and writing and spelling. So you'll see those videos soon. And here is all the stuff that I'm getting rid of. Thank you so much for watching. Check out our other videos and our other channels where we daily vlog every single day on Fully Living. Leave us a comment to let us know you were here. Have a great day.